Let's talk about the functions of these washing machines. Okay, just follow me and I will show you the functions in case you are trying to purchase one and you really don't know how to use it, or you find yourself trying to use one of these machines. It's better you know this function so that you don't mess it up. Okay, let me quickly show you guys. Using two washing machines, and one of the company name of this one is Thermocool, while this one is Nexus. Let's start with the Nexus. Okay, actually this was designed in a way that there's a connection of water in and out of the washing machine. So this is where the water enters the washing machine and it leaves through a particular port outside. Then the functions of this machine, why all the tasks, what they do. This is what we use to shift the water to. We can shift it to spin and we can bring it back to wash. That's where water comes from here, or where water comes from here to rinse the clothes. Then after that we have the wash timer. Now this wash timer is timed in minutes. So we have 0, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, up to 15 minutes. That's what we have here. And this one serves as a instruction to the machine whether it will wash gently or normal. But to be truthful with you guys, I don't use this style. I left it that way. I just leave it at normal. I wasn't the one that put it there. Best it stays there. Then also we have the wash and drain button. Now this wash and drain stands for only two things. You come here, when you put it on wash, that means the water that is supposed to be in this machine doesn't go out. And when you put it on drain, then the water can leave the washing machine through the outlet that is behind the washing machine. Oh, you can see it, right? Okay, the last one for this Nexus machine is the spin timer. Now the spin is where we reduce the moisture content. Someone might say dry the clothes or anything, just something of that nature. So this is timed in minutes as well. So the maximum minutes for the spin timer is 5. So when you on the timer this way, the spin has to continue to rotate in a very that's cool, that's beautiful. But we need to stop. Alright, that's all for the Nexus machine, and let's go over to the Hair Thermocool machine. Now they have similar characteristics, but it's still good for me to show you guys. So this is where the water comes into the machine. We'll have the wash and the spin. That's what's going on here. Alright, that's big. That's very big. Okay, that's that. And then quickly, this is the wash timer. There's one special thing about this particular Hair Thermocool machine wash timer, because it has a 15-minute wash. Then if you need to soak the clothes, you can bring it to 45 minutes. It will continue to read. After that, it will continue to read until it reaches 30 or 15 minutes. Actually, when it reaches to 15 minutes, then it will start washing. So for 30 minutes it's going to soak, then it will wash for the remaining 15 minutes. Is that not good? I said that as good. So this is the wash selector. Standards of just like the other one, gentle and normal. Also mean the same thing. Then we have also the drain part. This one explains this simpler. Off means the water in the machine doesn't go out. Then when you put it to drain, then the water leaves the machine through the outlets that is below the washing machine. Okay, I don't actually know what this does. Well, I don't use it. Loud off. No, thing like that. So this machine can hold a weight up to 13 kg. It means you should put something that is less than 13 kg. Okay, that's meaningful. Then we'll have the spin timer. This one describes everything in dry season and rainy season. When it's in dry season, you can put it to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of spin, it will dry. But when it's rainy season, just put it to 5 so that you won't have doubt. Okay, that's pretty everything you need to know about this, and that's cool. That's cool, right? That's cool. Let me just show you some functions. Okay, this is what we use to control the electricity, so that in case there's a high voltage, all those alternating current stuff, it will not damage the machine. This is a bypass. And then we'll have functions. Okay, these are the kind of tenders we use. We have liquid soap, we have hypo, and then normal omo. And that's the water protocol. So this is another part where that's that. So also we have a dryer, but currently the dryer isn't working. But anyway, let me just show you most important function you need to know about the dryer. Cotton extra, cotton damp, iron extra, covered, iron synthetic. That's just the type of material you need to turn this to. Okay, I'm how to off. Okay, let's just open the dryer and show you something. Okay, we hit some clues there. That's how the inner part of the dryer looks like. So that's pretty everything you need to know about the functions of this machine. Come back next time in the channel. Thank you.